Hey everyone, if you've been waiting for Nokia to make a grand comeback, with a budget-friendly 5G smartphone, your wait is finally over. Nokia, one of the most trusted and iconic mobile brands, is all set to launch its most affordable 5G smartphone yet. And guess what? It's packed with amazing features, and comes at an unbelievable price. Today, we're talking about the Nokia G50 Pro 5G, a smartphone that's set to redefine affordability in the 5G era. Stick around till the end of this video because we'll be diving into its full specs, price, and expected launch date. Let's start. Features of Nokia G50 Pro 5G. Display. The Nokia G50 Pro 5G boasts a stunning 5.9-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're gaming, scrolling, or watching videos, this display promises a buttery smooth experience. Plus, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6, ensuring durability against scratches and accidental drops. Camera. When it comes to cameras, the Nokia G50 Pro 5G doesn't disappoint. It features a dual camera setup on the back, with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. For selfie lovers, there's a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia G50 Pro 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 725G processor, ensuring smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and more. It runs on the latest Android 14 operating system, offering a clean and user-friendly experience. Battery backup. Battery life is a key highlight of the Nokia G50 Pro 5G. It packs a massive 5500 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without needing to recharge. And when you do need to power up, the 25-watt super fast charging. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, the price. The Nokia G50 Pro 5G is expected to be priced at just $49, making it one of the most affordable 5G smartphones in the market. As for the launch date, Nokia is likely to unveil this device by the end of this year.